Hey, let's look at the stock market today. This is Byron, the Stock Master. Today is 5/6/2026. I said Micron Technology is a very powerful stock. Very powerful stock. Technology is doing very well right now. The Dow Jones is up a lot of points. The Nasdaq is up too. The stocks are doing very well, but technology and a couple of other sectors are doing very well. But you have to get on board. I recommended a stock yesterday, OU. And that's doing very well. I recommended Micron Technology yesterday. That's doing very well. I recommended Amazon. That's doing very well. All my stocks are doing good. So if you see this video, first of all, like, subscribe, and share this video. But let's go to the board to see exactly what's going on today in the stock market. Let's go!
NASDAQ, as the tech beat goes on, we try and work back towards those record highs. Yes, we're watching the Middle East, and we are watching rates as
We're watching the Middle East, United States and Iran.
Of those things are really tempering the bullishness. Deutsche Bank, 8,000. 8,000. They reiterate their year-end target today. They hiked their earnings estimates, and that really is the story. A market carried forward by earnings. Truist Keith Lerner, Joe, says the bull still deserves the benefit of the doubt. Based on economic conditions, earnings, valuations, and price trends, the weight of the evidence still supports giving this market the benefit. Moreover, record highs are a characteristic of bull markets.
That's right, bull market, regardless of what's going on in the Middle East.
The story, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think what's interesting is in your opening remarks, you mentioned the Russell leading the market higher. And today you have the price of oil down by nearly 4%.
Oil is down.
Some relief from oil. And guess what? That helps out the areas of the market that actually haven't been participating so far this quarter, like value as a factor, like some of the consumer discretionary names. So without question, this rally that we have witnessed in the current quarter.
I want to piggyback on what he's saying here. First of all, oil is down 1.5. Okay, he told you what's going on in the Middle East between the United States and Iran. That's really not affecting the stock market right now. Like I said, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq is still producing. It's producing very well. So it still is a good time to buy stock. So that's some of the things that he's saying. He said a couple of stocks are overcoming, which is MU, Micron Technology. If you heard what he said Amazon is doing very well as well. So I'm not the only person that think this way. A lot of professionals really believe in what I am doing, what I'm talking about. And it's just the whole world sees what's going on. Now, let's continue.
It's built upon momentum, which is up nearly 20% in the quarter. It's built upon semiconductors, which are up nearly 35%. And it's built upon the staggering growth that you're identifying. But guess what? Even more than that, if we could get oil prices lower, now you bring back that broadening narrative. And that's pretty interesting when you hear about an S&P 8,000 target.
Yeah, I mean,
that's
the
right.
Sector performance over the last month, it's obviously top-heavy tech. And
top-heavy tech.
18 and 16.5% respectively. Discretionary is 14. Amazon obviously playing a large role in that because over the last month, that name has ripped by nearly 40%. But Steph, the story is earnings. Q1 earnings growth is 28%, and at the very top of the stack, comm services earnings growth, 55%. Technology earnings growth, 52.
52% technology.
Again, I'll throw Amazon in there with a heavy weighting. It's
Amazon!
Percent materials quite well also, and then it sort of steadily declines from there as you get a little bit lower.
Yeah, so the broad base feels good. I know it's
you see the percentage up there, 23% financial,
so
real estate 15%, industries 11%.
Ford, Nucor, and Travelers. I mean, that's pretty diversified if you ask me. But I think more impressively is earnings not only 20.
Look at Micron Technology.
11, and we're seeing margin expansion of about 100 basis points.
Did you see what I'm saying? This is CNBC saying the exact same thing that I'm saying. Micron Technology is an anomaly. The stock just goes up and up and up. Don't get me wrong. It's going to go down too. But I don't want to talk your ear off. I just want to teach you some basic things, what's going on in the stock market today. Now, the market has closed. I'm going to have another hot stock for you so you can make money. But you have to participate. You cannot win if you don't get in. That makes sense. You cannot win if you don't get in. It's the easiest way to make money because you know somebody in the stock market. Guess who you know? Because I know you don't have time to study the stock market. I know you have children. I know you have a job. trying to find a good stock that's going to make money for you takes a 24-hour dedication. But guess who you know? Me! I do all the legwork for you. And you know how to contact me. I'm giving you all the avenues to make money. Email me. Leave comments and opinions so I can reach you. And you can FaceTime me. My name is Byron Banks. So you know somebody in the stock market. As a matter of fact, you know the best in the world in the stock market, me. I'm making so much money. Dang. I went and got like $5,000 out of my account just to show you what I made today in the stock market. But I don't want to put that on there because of the IRS. But anyway, please like, subscribe, and share my video and hit that bell button so my videos can get to you. Now I'm going to make another video with another hot stock for you so you can make money. But you have to get in to win. You have to get that online brokerage account. You have to ask them questions like, do they charge to buy and sell stock? You have to ask them, do they have a margins account? You got to ask these questions. And then once you find a good brokerage company, wire or ACH your money to that brokerage company, and that's all you have to do. As long as you like, subscribe, and share my video and hit that bell button so when I give you a stock, it comes to you immediately. So I'm not going to talk your ears off. I'm going to make another video with another hot stock for you, but you have to get on board. This is free money. And watch my other videos. I teach about options trading. I teach about fundamental analysis. I teach about technical analysis. I teach about cryptocurrency. I teach about mutual trading. I teach about Bitcoin, everything. And I teach about options as well. But you have to get that online brokerage account. And then hit that bell button so my videos can get to you so you can make money. The way prices are going up with food and gas and everything else, you have to get a side hustle. You have to get extra income in. Because one job, be honest with me, and I want you to leave your opinion on this. One job is not enough these days. Am I right? I'm offering you free money. Let's go get it.